Buying an NFT. Want to know how? You mint them. Option 1. The Mystery Pack. You can easily mint your NFTs via the Mystery Pack. Once minted, you'll get a random level NFT of the season. To do this, visit FloridaManToken.com and access the NFT DIRTVERSE. You'll also have to log in using your Trust wallet since the NFTs live on the blockchain. After logging in, you'll simply choose the amount of NFTs you want to mint using FMAN. Confirm in Trust wallet and enjoy the thrill of opening your first pack. Once minted, you can view your NFT collection in the cards section. The second method to buy is the Mint Drop. These are limited quantity level 5 NFTs that you can buy for a set amount of FMAN. No mystery, just a card. To do this, you'll have to visit the NFT DIRTVERSE and select the NFT you want to mint. Confirm it in Trust wallet, and once the transaction processes, it's yours. Again, you can easily view all your NFT cards in the cards section. I told you it was easy. And if you run into any issues or have questions, be sure to visit our official Telegram group, and our team will help you through it all. Good luck and happy minting!